Python explicit condition checking compared to implicit. Not sure if this belongs to so, community moderators, please move this to the appropriate network website if that's indeed the case. One of the foremost tenets of writing Pythonic code is explicit is better than implicit. In a number of places I see the suggestion that when checking for true values is better than. The second one if clearly more explicit, or is it? Not sure why the first approach is favored. I personally like the first approach as it is less and, arguably, cleaner code. Is this a matter of personal choice or am I missing something here?
There's a couple things going on here. First off, let's tackle truthy values. In Python, most objects are truthy, meaning they evaluate to true in a statement such as if thing column do other underscore thing. There are actually quite few objects that are falsy, as documented here. I know, Python 2.4 docs. Don't worry, it's still valid. So why does this matter? It lets you write cleaner code. If you are expecting whether something is or isn't, there is no need to check exactly what it is. It's an empty list. Fine, that's nothing. Empty string. Still nothing. Oh, I got back a dictionary with one key value pair. That's something. This is where Pythonic comes in. It's a convention settled upon by the community. Everyone decided it made sense and looked nicer, so it stuck. This allows you great flexibility in your code. You don't have to check the type of an object, you just need to know if it contains data or not. You should only ever check equals if you really care that an object is equal to another object. Examples.
Another tenet of Pythonic code is, simple is better than complex. The whole point of an if statement is to check if an expression is truthy according to the rules of that language. Admittedly, Python's rules for truthiness are more complex than those for most other languages. If you know that, for the purpose of your if clause, all possible truthy values of your expression are distinct from all possible falsy values, then you're already as explicit as you need to be.
In above code variable a can be any data type int, string, list. So the meaning of first version is like if it is integer and if it is not 0 then it will go in if loop, if it's string and not empty it will go in if loop etc. Second version is more likely taken from traditional languages like C, C++ etc. where the variable is more likely Boolean variable, that's why it is compared with true. So most of the people working with Python will like first version, since it is more generic.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.